So students, today we will study transcription. Transcription is the process of formation of RNA from DNA. So the process of copying genetic information from one strand of the DNA into RNA is termed as transcription. So one strand of the DNA, it will form RNA, and that process will be known as transcription. So here adenosine complements now forms base pairs with uracil. So adenine will pair with the instead of T, it will pair with U in case of RNA. So here the transcription, only segment of DNA and only one strand is copied into the RNA in case of transcription. So this is a DNA strand. If it has base pairs A, C, C, A, G, A, T, the corresponding RNA segment will be U instead of T, and G, G, again U, then with A U will pair, and with T A will pair. So because there is no thymidine in RNA. Why both of the strands are not copied of the DNA? Only one strand is copied in the form of RNA, and the process, as I have told you, is transcription. Because if both strands of the DNA act as template, then they would be would code for RNA molecule with different sequences. Then they will code for different proteins, and the sequence of amino acid in the proteins would be different. Hence only one segment or one piece of the DNA would be coding for two different proteins, and this would complicate the genetic information or disturb the genetic information. So if this is a DNA and these are the two strands of DNA, and suppose if it is forming two messenger RNA, this messenger RNA will code for proteins which will have amino acids, and different proteins will be formed with the different amino acids. In the same case, in the other messenger RNA, proteins will be formed and it will have different amino acids. So it will complicate the process of this genetic information. Now the second reason why the two strands of DNA does not act as template is that two RNA molecules, if produced simultaneously, they would be complementary to each other, hence would form a double stranded RNA. Now suppose this is a DNA and the two strands they are forming the RNAs. That from the template, if two RNAs are formed, these RNA would be complementary and they will form bonds with each other. As a result, double stranded RNA will be formed. It will become stable and no proteins will be formed. So this is the main reason. This would prevent RNA from being translated into proteins, and exercise of transcription will be waste. So no proteins formation will occur. That's why two strands of DNA are not involved in the process of transcription. So thank you.